Home security is a top priority for Meridian homeowners, and your doors play a vital role in keeping your property safe. A sturdy, well-installed door acts as a barrier against intruders and protects against the elements, enhancing both safety and comfort. However, even the most durable door can fail to provide adequate security if it's not installed correctly. That's where professional door installation makes all the difference. Here's how professional door installation improves home security in Meridian and why it's an investment worth making. Ensures a perfect fit for maximum protection. One of the key benefits of professional door installation is the precision with which the door is fitted to your home. An improperly sized door can leave gaps that compromise security, allowing air, moisture, or even intruders to enter. Professionals carefully measure the door frame and adjust the fit to ensure no gaps or weak points. A snug fit reduces vulnerabilities that could be exploited by forced entry. Secure weather stripping. Properly installed weather stripping seals out drafts and prevents water damage that could weaken the frame over time. Reinforces the door frame. The strength of your door is only as good as the frame it's mounted in. A weak or deteriorating frame can be an easy target for intruders. Professional installers. Assess the frame's integrity. They check for signs of wear, rot, or structural issues that might weaken the frame. Add reinforcements. Many professionals include metal plates, upgraded hinges, and strike plates that make it much harder for an intruder to kick in or pry open the door. Correctly installs advanced locking mechanism. Modern doors come with high-tech locking systems, but these locks must be installed correctly to function as intended. A professional ensures proper alignment. Locks that don't align correctly with the strike plate are ineffective. Installation of multi-point locks. These systems secure the door at multiple points, significantly improving resistance to break-ins. Smart lock setup. If you choose a smart lock, professionals ensure it's installed and connected properly, providing features like remote access, alerts, and activity monitoring. Strengthens hinges and hardware. Weak or improperly installed hinges are a common entry point for burglars. During professional installation, technicians upgrade hinges. High-security hinges, often with reinforced screws and pins, are installed to resist tampering. Secure screws. Longer screws are used to anchor the hinges and strike plates deep into the door frame, increasing their strength. Enhances glass panel security. If your door includes glass panels, they can become a vulnerability without the right installation. Professional installers use impact-resistant glass. Designed to withstand forced entry and harsh weather, this glass is more secure than standard panes. Secure the glass in the frame. Proper installation ensures the glass cannot be easily removed or shattered to bypass the lock. Provides weather protection to maintain structural integrity. Meridian's weather can range from hot and dry to snowy and wet, which can cause doors and frames to warp or weaken over time. Professional installation includes sealing against weather. Ensuring the door is tightly sealed prevents moisture damage, which can compromise the door's strength. Durable materials. Professionals recommend materials like steel, fiberglass, or solid wood that can withstand Meridian's climate. Reduces the risk of DIY errors. While it might be tempting to save money by installing a door yourself, even small mistakes can lead to significant security risks. Professional installers bring expertise and experience to avoid common errors, such as improper alignment. A misaligned door may not close or lock properly, leaving your home vulnerable. Missed weak points. A professional can identify and address vulnerabilities that a DIY approach might overlook. Integrates security features seamlessly. Many modern doors are designed to work with advanced home security systems. Professional installers can ensure your new door integrates seamlessly with smart home systems, connecting cameras, sensors, and locks for enhanced monitoring. Alarm systems. Ensuring sensors and alarms are installed correctly for full coverage. Increases intruder deterrence. A professionally installed door sends a message to potential intruders that your home is well protected. High-quality materials, advanced locks, and secure frames make your home a less appealing target. Backed by warranty and peace of mind. When you choose professional installation, you often gain access to warranties that cover both the door and the installation process. This guarantees quality assurance, confidence that the job was done right the first time, support if issues arise, prompt resolution of any problems, ensuring your home remains secure. Invest in professional door installation for your Meridian home. Your front door is your home's first defense against intruders and the elements. By choosing professional door installation, you ensure maximum security, improved durability, and enhanced peace of mind. With expert measurements, reinforced frames, advanced locks, and seamless integration with modern security systems, your home will be better protected for years to come. Don't leave your home's safety to chance. Contact a trusted door installation professional in Meridian today to secure your home with a high-quality, expertly installed door.